Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram. I'll be covering getting started with the Amazon Associates program, choosing a profitable niche and target audience, and how we can drive traffic to those links using Instagram's massive platform. So, without much further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing that we need to do is to register for Amazon's affiliate program called Amazon Associates. This will grant you access to a library of links connected to your unique associate account and tracking ID. Let's navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage and click to enroll under the Join Now, It's Free button. You will be asked to provide some basic personal information, payment account details so Amazon knows where to deposit any earnings, and tax information for your region if applicable. Then, you would have to agree to the terms and conditions. And that's really all it takes. Once approved, you can access your dashboard and use search tools to browse Amazon's millions of product listings. Easily grab an affiliate link pointing back to your account and then promote it. After that, when people click your unique affiliate link and complete an eligible purchase on Amazon within 24 hours, you will earn an advertising fee based on the total sales amount. The commission percentage ranges based on the product category but averages around 4 to 10%. After that, I would recommend focusing our efforts around a specific niche rather than promoting randomly. Creating content and building communities around focused interests leads to targeted, engaged audiences that convert extremely well. For example, Instagram profiles centered solely on fitness, travel, beauty, fashion, or more have cultivated millions of loyal, passionate followers. These niche-specific accounts have become go-to authorities and tastemakers within their sectors. When they release new products or promote affiliate links, their fans eagerly purchase without hesitation. So, if you were to go through the process of identifying your ideal niche, I would first suggest analyzing platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok to research different verticals. You would have to pay attention to levels of competition, engagement metrics, search volumes, and keyword opportunities. So, tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ are excellent for conducting and quantifying growth potential. List out your findings so that you can compare the viable alternatives and then dig deeper into multiple communities per niche to determine any pain points, desires, and how you can add value. Whatever specific audience you select, dedicate time up front, immersing yourself in that kind of niche so that you can understand how to create content that resonates, identify people already finding success, and see why their model works. And now, you have a more streamlined way to showcase affiliate products suited perfectly for your niche. After that, we will create our own digital affiliate storefront using a platform called Kit. Essentially, it's a platform that enables you to seamlessly build curated affiliate link collections that function as polished online storefronts. So think of these kits as neatly organized digital catalogs tailored specifically to your niche, showcasing products that you recommend. For example, a fitness kit could showcase supplements, equipment, workout gear, and other related things. Or a travel kit features must-have carry-ons, luggage, backpacks, etc. So go ahead and create your own free account on Kit, and then build a new kit focused around your niche interest area. I would highly recommend giving it an eye-catching title and then a brief explanatory description. The next step would be populating your kit with relevant affiliate products. Simply browse Amazon for items that your audience would find valuable and use your associate's dashboard to grab your custom tracking link. Head back to the Kit editor and then paste the affiliate link when adding the product. Kit will automatically pull in the item titles, images, descriptions, reviews, and more into your catalog, and this should cover the basics of constructing your digital storefront. What's left is to examine some strategies to increase credibility and conversions. In order to do that and effectively promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram, you will need to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. This includes high-quality images, captivating captions, and strategic hashtags. Additionally, consider collaborating with other influencers or brands to expand your reach and increase the likelihood of conversions. Now, Instagram has strict guidelines regarding the promotion of affiliate links, so make sure that you adhere to those guidelines by clearly disclosing your affiliation with Amazon in your post and avoiding any misleading or deceptive practices. To optimize your performance as an Amazon affiliate on Instagram, track your clicks, conversions, and earnings by directly using the Amazon Associates dashboard. You can use this data to identify areas of improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following our guide steps and best practices in this video for promoting Amazon affiliate links on Instagram, you can effectively monetize your social media presence while providing valuable content to your followers. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.